Welcome, you guys. I won Jen's giveaway. I'm so excited to see what I have in this box right now. I don't know if you guys know, but Jen had a giveaway. It was kind of like a little, she didn't announce it, you know what I mean? She didn't make a big deal out of it. She said it was just going to be like a little small charm box. But y'all, she put everything in this box. She put way more than charms in this box. There is acrylic. There is glitter acrylic. There are lots of charms. As you can see, there was some nail polish in this box, you guys. I absolutely loved everything in this box. I'm so happy that I won Jen's giveaway. When I found out it was a charm box giveaway, I ran and entered into this giveaway, you guys, because you guys might think I have everything in the world, but I do not have. Oh yes, and look at this. Look at this brush. I've already been using this brush. I don't know if y'all, Jen probably did notice that I use this brush, but I've already been using this brush and I love it. It's a small brush, but it picks up a big bead. It holds a lot of monomer. It does just as well as the bigger brushes, but you can control the acrylic so much better. I absolutely love that brush. Thank you, Jen, for having this giveaway. You did not have to have a giveaway, you guys. She basically had the giveaway just to kind of say thank you to everyone who was supporting her when she was going through everything with her hand and going through, going to the doctors. And she basically told us what was going on. And we went with her through her journey of dealing with her hand issues, y'all, and we encouraged her and we just gave her that grace to take her time and get better. And she really did appreciate all of us. It was me and one other girl who won her giveaway. I don't think the other girl does YouTube videos, but she does do nails. So yes, you guys, this is what this is about. This is what this giveaway was about. And I just think that's so sweet of Jen. Like, for her to be having to go through so much with her hand and then think about us to have a giveaway, that is so selfless. And I thank you so much. Now, this charm box has a ton of charms in it, you guys. I would not have been able to. This video would have been too long if I showed you guys everything that was in this charm box. So I am just going through and showing you some of my favorite things that is in this charm box. I don't really have anything at all that she put in this little charm box, you guys, or this huge charm box. So yes, I'm showing you everything that I'm showing you I don't have and I love. Like this piece I've never seen. It's a lot of these pieces that I have never even seen before. So yeah, I am loving. I cannot wait to use some of these on a set. So I'm gonna let you guys watch and see what all is in here, some of my favorite picks. But I do want to give a big shout out to Jen. If you do not know who Jen is, I will put her information in my description box. Y'all go over there and check out her channel. Please subscribe to her channel. Go support. And Jen, I am so happy that you feel better. I am so happy that your hand is back to 100%. Sit back and continue to watch these lovely things that she sent me. I do appreciate it so very much. I watch all of her videos, you guys. She has great content on her channel. She shows a lot of tips and tricks and just a lot of stuff that she's learned over the years. She will share that with us. She is not a gatekeeper at all whatsoever. She does do tutorials for some people that might be beginners, but then she also will give us story times, and which I absolutely love. I do not really feel a connection with a lot of the YouTubers if they don't kind of like share a little bit about themselves. Yeah, it's just like, robotic to me. So I do appreciate the ones who do share a little bit about their life. I appreciate that. anybody else that kind of just comes on and does PR and it's just all about the nails, or they don't talk at all. Like, I just feel like they're just working for YouTube, and that's okay too. If that's how they want it to be, then that's fine too. But I don't really tend to go toward those channels unless they just do like a really fire nail set that I'm just like, ooh, I gotta go see. But yeah, like I develop friendships on YouTube, so it's more about friendships for me, because we can go to any channel and watch any nail set, any tutorial, any unboxing. We can do that on anyone's channel, but it's special when you have a friend who is actually sharing what's going on in their life, like Jen did, and then come back around and have a giveaway. That's awesome. So yeah, you guys, I know I did go through the acrylics super fast at the beginning, and that was just because I knew I was going to come back and swatch these for you guys. It's not going to be the best swatches, but I do want to show you guys what this acrylic is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys and turn on some music. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Trophy wipe first. This is trophy wipe.
This is what they say, do it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, atmosphere, weekend, college park, harbor home, come smoking home, home, choking on that home, home, big profit selling, cooking, they got the dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's what I say, no, shawty play, Heather mix, camera, got that fire light, round here we wipe the slow, we keep it good and you should know, getting crunk up in the club, it gets done, all my ladies to the front, hand up in, let it bag it up, getting crunk up in the club, it gets done, let it take a new whip, make strip, into a bowling ball, still smoke, let it smoke.
As you can see, I'm almost out of these. I'm gonna find a way to use everything, y'all. These tips, I did not like them. I don't like them. They have like a little slight curve to them, so I didn't like them. I'm loving the Kolinsky brush, size 8. I've never worked with an 8 ever. I started out with a 12. But when you know what you're doing, you can pretty much work with any brush. And this brush picks up a pretty big bead, I must say. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, Jen, for having the giveaway. I truly do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take off these gloves.
Southern style, getting all those schools coming down in a different color wheel.